Hello my dear kids, a very warm welcome to all of you to Fun Drawing with me Piyali. At last this beautiful day has arrived and I'm sure you all have been eagerly waiting for this session. So let's begin. So kids, today we will learn some basic shapes and how we can draw a scenery using these shapes. So today we will learn square, triangle, circle, rectangle, semicircle, oval, pentagon and hexagon. So these are some basic shapes which we can use in our drawing. So we will learn about these only. Talking about square, a square has four sides of equal size and there are some objects we can see in square shape around us like Ludo dice, carom board, wall clock and of course a breakfast square bread. Now my dear friends, circle. So a circle is a round. Circle is a round thing and there are football and coin and of course full moon we have of circle shape. Now triangle. Triangle is a shape with three edges and three corners, three vertices, and it is also called as polygon. And we can see a slice of pizza or a sandwich or a road sign in triangle objects. And if I talk about rectangle, it is a four-sided flat shape with straight sides where opposite sides are of equal length. Biscuits, chocolate bar and TV we can see around us in this shape. Now my dear friends, we will learn to draw. After these four shapes, we will learn to draw semicircle, oval, pentagon and hexagon. So talking about semicircle kids is a half of a circle. So if we cut the circle in between the half, that is a semicircle. And we can see a cup or a bowl or a slice of lemon and an open umbrella of this shape, semicircle shape. Now oval. So oval is any curve that looks like an egg or an ellipse and it is also called ovoid. Pentagon. Pentagon is a shape which has 5 sides and 5 angles. So here penta denotes 5 and gon means angle. So a pentagon has 5 sides and 5 angles. And have you seen Superman's logo? That is of pentagon shape. Tea bag, school crossing signs, these are all pentagon shape. Now hexagon. Hexagon can be defined as a polygon with 6 sides. So a shape which has 6 sides, 6 vertices and 6 angles, that is hexagon. And you can see snowflakes, beehives of hexagon shape. It's really interesting, don't you think so? Now kids, let's draw a beautiful and simple scenery using these 8 shapes. And I want to see whether you can find these shapes here in this drawing. Let's do it. it's not necessary always that you have to draw this particular scene only, drawing only using these shapes, but you can draw anything using these shapes. You can put your imagination and you can draw anything, any simple scenery or any drawing you can do using these basic shapes. And I hope that now it is very much clear and easy for you to remember these basic shapes, and most of all, how to draw a simple scenery or how to do a simple drawing using these shapes, right? Wow! Good job done, kids. That's a very good drawing. Thank you, my little friends, for joining in today. And we will come back with another exciting topic of drawing basics. That's our topic, right? And stay safe. Take a good care of yourself. And do not forget to subscribe our channel if you like. Bye-bye.